So we're not going to be long today on this one. Avocado, egg, mozzarella cheese, mayo. Really, really simple, beautiful, easy salad. Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great. Okay, here we go then. So I've got here 4 hard-boiled eggs, 1 avocado, nice bit of mozzarella there, some chopped parsley, a couple of tablespoons of mayo, black pepper, not putting salt in because I find that the mayo is salty enough. You can if you want, and a little bit of chopped onion. That's it. Bob's your uncle. Okay, so I've cut my avocado, as you can see in there, and I've chopped up that mozzarella. Let's add that black pepper. Like I say, if you want to add salt, go for it. Fresh herb. I'm using flat leaf parsley, but mint, basil, anything like that works really well. A little bit of onion. I've got my eggs here, which we're just going to cut in. Hard-boiled eggs. If you want a little bit of chili in here, you know, maybe some paprika or something like that, works really nicely. Just a nice, simple, easy salad. Bit of celery, some olives, up to you. Yeah, a bit endless really, aren't it? The amount of stuff you can put in. I'm keeping this nice and simple. Only one more thing, that mayo. And I don't like to put loads and loads of mayo in. You know, I don't want it swimming around in there. I just want to kind of coat it up. I'll give that a little mix and I'll be back in a minute. And that's the kind of consistency I like with the mayo. Again, adjust it however you want. Super, super easy salad. Let me just get that on the plate. Okay, and there you go. Super, super easy, super delicious, super fast. Play around with it. Like I say, get the amounts that you like in there. And again, if you fancy anything else, chuck it in. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that. Just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us. That would really help us out a lot. We've just hit 100 million views. We're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all, even though we're offered it quite a lot. A lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money. I'm broke. Lots of love.